Good morning, you guys. How are you today? I'm doing really, really well. So I'm on my way to work. That's why I have like a collared shirt on, or else, you know me, sweatshirt, t-shirt, and some shorts. But I'm feeling so much better. I was so ill, and yeah, I mean, girl feels good. I'm gonna be doing like a week in my life just because we're going on a trip leaving on Sunday. We're going to Disney. We went in April, and then we're going now for the Boo Bash and the Food and Wine Festival, which if you don't know, my boyfriend is a chef. Well, he gets a bunch of inspo, like food and stuff like that. So it's super exciting, like just to go and like try things out and see how they are. And just how they're presented, how they're made, or like what they use. And it's good inspo for him. So we're going this year. And because I don't think we're going to be able to go next year because we're going to Mexico twice for 2 family parties and situations. So yeah, I mean, we're really excited to go. I'm going to try and squeeze in a Disney trip next year. And if we really, really like the Food and Wine Festival, and also the 50th celebration, but yeah, I'm going to try and squeeze it in next year if I really like it, maybe in November, just so we can see the Christmas decorations there, because also the new party that they're doing, because it's the first year for the Boo Bash and it's the 50th celebration. So we're going to be there for both things. So I'm really excited, and we're staying at the Yacht Club. So when you see this, might be after the trip or just during the trip, because I just got to figure out how I'm going to go about editing this. But I'm going to try and vlog Disney a little bit more. I did not vlog at all last time. It was also our first time staying on a resort. We stayed at Pop Century. Not that great. So that's why we're staying at the Yacht Club. So we went from a value hotel to a deluxe resort. So I can tell you guys like the pros and the cons of that if you'd like. Also, don't forget to check out my blog. It's KristenAshleyBlogs.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys do not miss any of this fun action. But I'm going to head to work. I'm going to drop off some packages over here from my shop. And so if you guys don't know about my shop, go check out KristenAshleyBlogs.com, and it'll tell you everything you need to know about what I sell. And they're good. This is just one of the things that I sell. And then also these. So that being said, I'm going to go and, yeah, let's get this week going. I missed yesterday, which was Monday. I was off, but I worked a Saturday, and I'm just literally getting over my sickness. So you guys can kind of hear I sound a little nasally, but I'm so much better. So praise the Lord. So yeah, I will see you guys. For you, 2 seconds. For me, 8 hours. Okay. So today I'm right now in my sunroom, as you guys can see here. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but we painted it brown. It was, well, it's more like not a taupe. It's more like a neutral color. This was like all like a different color. I honestly don't even know what it was. We did this in the summer as just like a part of our process. So the brown looks so good, especially it's like very rustic with the what is that called, with the brick. So it looks super good. I did just eat breakfast. I did eat some beef stew for breakfast. I woke up super hungry. It was like crazy hungry. I woke up and I was like, I'm so hungry. Literally, that's all I could think of. Right now, I am going to actually start putting up some Halloween stuff. It is September 30th, and it's time. I wanted to do this for about 2 weeks now. I'm gonna start checking to see what we have, and my garage is a freaking mess. I cleaned it, and then I cleaned the garage, like super cleaned it, like threw out a bunch of shit. I have my stuff for my Reno, for my bathroom in there. So it's just like a big pain in the butt all around. So I'm gonna show you guys when I pull it all out, what I have, and then we can just kind of see what we can do. I do have a lot in for the inside. So we're gonna work on the front room, and we're gonna work on the front of the house. I already kind of have an idea of what I wanna do with the front of the house. Nothing crazy, just because I don't have all those bushes like I had that I think I've shown you guys before, and trees. So, but yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna organize, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna figure it out. And then when that time comes, I will let you guys see it. So, I'm gonna head into my garage here and we're gonna see what's going on. Hey guys, so what I pulled was this little scarecrow, that little scarecrow. I have one of those, but I feel like I'm missing some, so I'm gonna have to go back in my garage and find it. But I have 2 haystacks that I'm gonna be putting pumpkins on, but I'm gonna move that one out here more. And I have 2 inflatables. So we're starting here. I don't know if you guys say hi, but yeah, we're gonna put this baby in and then we're gonna just kind of make it more fall-like. I don't know if you guys can see it all, but searching for the missing mariachi. Oh, I think we found him. Oh, Jalisco. Woo! Super cute. I just really like how it looks. Seamless. I really, really like it.